Hey guys, welcome back. Join me for my weekend reset. So this weekend I had the opportunity to go to the RnB Experience in Miami, and baby, it was so nice. It was so needed. I am an R&B girl. So join me. A couple of the songs I did mute because I don't want to get hit with copyright. So this is just a pampering before the concert. I don't know about y'all, but I love when somebody washes my hair, like self-care to the max. Lashes done, hair done. Yes. I start my mornings out making coffee. If I'm on the road, I'll buy me some Dunkin'. And I always start my day off with a to-do list, priorities, and just a note to myself. I appreciate me. And of course, we have to get the yoga in there because I gotta get my mind right to be around all these people and to be singing and shouting. Honestly, whenever I'm feeling stressed or overwhelmed, yoga always clears my mind and helps me to get refocused. Just thinking about this drive to Miami. I'm only 30 to 45 minutes away, but baby, that traffic to Miami. I have some little one-on-one time with my baby, just showing her some love and support. And of course, I have to fix up my pillows. These pillows never stay straight. But of course, that's what happens when you have a 3-year-old. I then journal and write down my goals for the week. Like, I'm a journal girl. I will plan from day 1 to day 2 of everything that I'm going to be doing. And of course, you have to meditate to manifest and bring that into, bring it to light. Decided to go get a pedicure because these toes were looking crusty, honey. Took my daughter with me. This was her first time getting a pedicure. She enjoyed it. This right here, that hot towel, baby, that feels so good, so relaxing. They normally give us wine, but I guess because I had my daughter today, they didn't give me anything. The car wash. We in Miami, bed. So this is the RnB Experience. Well, it's called Keith Sweat and Friends. Listen, this traffic, it took us what's supposed to be a 45-minute ride. Took us almost an hour just to make it to the damn stadium. But it was worth it. I really didn't put on anything much, just a simple face and a simple black outfit because this was my first concert. And I didn't want to wear heels. I didn't want to dress up because I didn't know how it was going to go. You're talking about elevator. You right there. You enter through right there. Where? Man, due to the long line, we missed half a Silk performance, but we still caught the best part. The DJ was dope as hell. 112 still got the moves. However, I did not recognize now one of them. I could literally pass them in the hallway and did not know they were 112. They looked like four new faces. Of course, Mr. Genuine was there. I'm glad he was able to make it because the day before he had a little freak accident. But he really turned the show up. I love me some Genuine. I'm not trying to get hit with copyright, so that's why, again, most of this muted when it comes to the concert. Listen, Tamar Braxton can sing. Tamar put on a show. Like, baby was working it, honey. Listen, this was medicine and music to my soul. I'm an R&B girl, and this was what I needed. This was my self-care weekend. Of course, you got Goonka. Monica Goon ass brought out Trick Daddy and Trina and Kodak Black, just random as hell. but it was so much fun. Honestly, it was Monica's show and friends. Monica and Tamar show and friends. I want y'all to peep Monica throwing it back and shaking it like yes. I couldn't even record properly. I had to use my phone, and baby, Miss Trina is thicker than a snicker. Like, Trina is thick. You know, Trick Daddy all right, but Trina put on a show. And I love me some Keith Sweat, but he was doing a whole lot of talking, and I was just looking at that clock, like the countdown to leave Miami. So we left early. I wish we were able to stay for the rest of his performance, but baby, we beat that traffic. We got back home in less than 30 minutes. That's how empty the road was. You see how that was empty? But this is just a glimpse of the beautiful downtown Miami. Don't let it fool you, though. Don't let it fool you. Good morning, beautiful people. So I just finished my workout, and I'm at Dunkin's today to get some, try their, their pumpkin frappuccino. I never had that before. Decided to stop by Bales to get some Halloween decor.
Ooh, this is nice. Oh, shit.
I'm a Halloween girl. I dress up, I get bloody, I go to the parties. I don't do the cemetery though.
I actually came for a makeup brush set. So the last time I came here, I saw that Bales is selling Fenty. But of course they don't have none of my colors. But listen. Get your Fenty from Bales. Affordable pricing.
Honestly, I feel like I'm always organizing. I'm always cleaning. Maybe it's just something in me, but I am very anal and I have to keep my house clean. I have to get all the dishes out of the sink and put them away properly. We're redoing the bathroom, so that's why you see all that clutter on the counter. I did get some new installs from Amazon, so I'm trying to scrub the mirror down because I think I was going to put them on the mirror, but I ended up putting them on the wall.
Ooh. Just pull up to Publix and got the perfect parking spot.
First thing I do when I get to Publix, I always go to the produce. Like, I bypass all of that and go get my fruits and my veggies, stack up on the good stuff. In my head, it makes sense, but then I go down each aisle and pick up nonsense and end up spending way more money. So my thought process, if I get all the fruits and veggies in the basket, that's where all my money gonna go. And I won't have the money or the time to go get the snacks. But as you can see, that is pretty much lies.
I haven't got nothing in this basket that I came here for.
I always get Publix purified water. I think I used to get the Nestle until I realized Nestle was like $8-9. Child, that Publix water tastes just the same for the low. I always try to save money wherever I can. I don't know when was the last time y'all went to the grocery store, but everything is expensive, like eggs, and they always take the good brands first. But eggs getting ridiculous, water getting ridiculous, snacks getting ridiculous, like. And this is like a little hack, I hope. But if you do have kids, to get veggies and fruits into their diet, if they don't want to eat veggies and fruit, get them the baby food pouch. It's the same thing. My next video that I'm hoping to work on would be like a hygiene shower routine. So that's what I'm doing here, picking out the stuff that I normally use for my hygiene. And I love Secret's deodorant. You could complain all you want to, but for me, it lasts all day, honey. All day. And this is right here when I get the shock of my life that I end up spending $70. $70 damn dollars. And I went to spend $30 on freaking eggs, milk, and I don't know what else. Bananas.
I definitely spent way more than I wanted to. Way more. I think I went in to spend $30. Don't ask me how I got to 7.
Chips make your stomach soft, huh? And you can do this later.
Silencio, Bruno.
This later. Silencio, Bruno.
Listen, I am not a fish person. My husband is, like, he doesn't eat meat, so making him dinner. And I made a little piece for me and for my daughter, but I really don't care for fish at all, unless it's fried Jamaican style with pepper. So I'm just making some salmon and some rice, and of course I put some veggies in it. But yeah, this is me winding down for the night.
I had to recook it because I really didn't care for the color, and I add a little bit more seasoning to it, and garlic butter and baby. I love it. This is how I love my salmon. And I made some rice. Ooh.
The best part of my day is my nightly shower routine. I absolutely live for this moment. I romanticize myself. I set the mood. I get the candles going. I get the wine, get the oils flowing. I do hope you guys enjoy. I know this was a different video. Your girl can't be buying Shein and Fashion Nova and clothes all the time. Hope you guys enjoy. See you next time. Reading is fundamental.